In this video, I will show you how to transfer money on Truist Bank. So if you want to transfer money, first things first on your Truist app, make sure to log in by inputting your user ID as well as your password. Now click on the sign in option right here in order to sign in. Now once you have done that, next thing you need to do is you can see in here your Truist app home screen. From in there, click onto the account option and you should be able to see there the transfer option. Now, from in there, click onto this transfer and pay and click onto this send a wire transfer. It can be also be a send money with Zelle option. So just choose which one you want. Now, once you have done that, click onto the send option, choose in here the wire type, choose where which account it's coming from, and then put in here your recipient. It can be an added recipient or a registered recipient already. Now input the amount and choose in here the frequency. It can be a one time only. Put in here the start date, duration, total transfer, and from there click on continue in order to successfully send this money to that person. Now, in here, they will also ask for a code, so make sure to provide that and authorize the transfer.